Time to winterize, preparing for the cold season. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and seasonally relevant phrase, time to winterize. This phrase is often used in regions that experience cold winters. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in your conversations. Let's dive in. Time to winterize is a phrase that suggests preparing something for the winter season. It is often used in the context of homes, vehicles, and even personal wardrobes. The word winterize itself means to prepare or adapt something for use during the winter. This can include a variety of actions depending on the context. For instance, winterizing a car might involve putting on snow tires and ensuring the heater works, while winterizing a house could mean insulating windows and checking the heating system. This phrase is typically used as colder weather approaches, usually in late autumn. It's a reminder or suggestion that it's time to start preparing for winter. You might hear someone say, "It's getting chilly out there. Time to winterize the house." This phrase can be used in both formal and informal settings, though it's more common in casual conversation. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in sentences. 1. The forecast predicts snow next week. Time to winterize the car. 2. As a gardener, I know it's time to winterize my plants when the nights start getting frosty. 3. Our hiking club decided it was time to winterize our gear, adding warmer clothing and equipment. These examples show how the phrase can be adapted to different situations. While time to winterize is a common formulation, there are variations. For instance, someone might say, "We need to winterize the boat before the lake freezes." Here, the phrase is used as a verb without the introductory, time to. Understanding these variations can help you recognize the phrase in different contexts. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, time to winterize. Remember, it's all about preparing for the winter season in various aspects of life. Whether you're winterizing your home, vehicle, or wardrobe, now you can talk about it confidently in English. Thanks for watching, and stay warm out there.